Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, we've all been waiting eagerly for protection. Thank goodness the vaccines are here. But are they safe? Yes, they're safe. Did you know that there have been different strains of the coronavirus that have been identified over the last 55 years? And those building blocks of knowledge have helped with creating the new vaccines that will protect us from COVID-19. And it's important to know that the new vaccines don't contain the real coronavirus. So getting the vaccine cannot give you COVID-19, which is the whole goal, to not get COVID-19, right? Right. But how do the vaccines work? To understand, we need to take a quick step back and look at the big picture. Everything that's living, you, me, the cat on your couch, the tree outside, every living thing has one thing in common: genes. Genes are the building blocks that make each of us who we are. Genes are made up of a substance called DNA. DNA holds our body's code. This code sends messages to our body telling it what to do. These messages are called RNA. The RNA messages tell the body's proteins to do all kinds of things that help our bodies. Things like eating, thinking, breathing, growing, and fighting infections. Infections are the enemy. When you get an infection, your body makes proteins called antibodies to attack the infection. Like an army attacking the enemy. An army of antibodies attacking infections. All right, so how do the new vaccines work to fight COVID-19? These new vaccines are called RNA vaccines because they have RNA in them that sends messages to your cells. None of the coronavirus is needed to make the RNA vaccine. The RNA vaccines are made from the code of a coronavirus gene, which has been isolated, copied, and then sequenced in a lab. The RNA is created from this, and it's put into vaccine form that can be delivered by a shot. Now, when you get your vaccine shot, the vaccine's RNA sends a message to your body, just like regular old RNA does. The message looks like the coronavirus, but it doesn't actually infect you. It only mimics the virus. The mimic of the virus activates your immune system to make an army of protein antibodies, and they'll attack the real coronavirus if you're exposed later. And they'll kill it. Pretty incredible RNA vaccine. All it really did was trigger your body to react. Your body makes coronavirus antibodies without needing you to actually get sick with COVID-19. Total fake out. The RNA vaccines are the best kind of fake out. The kind that will save millions of lives all over the world and help us get back to where everyone can stop worrying and fully do life. To recap, the new RNA vaccines get your body to fight and protect you from the coronavirus. They won't give you COVID-19. They're safe and effective. RNA vaccines for the win.